Rocky Mountain Race Week, here we come. So I need a little cap right there.
Fans are working.
Nice.
Air conditioning on.
All right, guys. So we are on the maiden voyage of the new build. It just got done, and we're ready to go. So she sounds good. She's too quiet. We got a muffler in the bed. I'll probably drop it off tomorrow, get that installed. But so far, so good. She's running good.
We should mention it as it shows 57,000 miles, not 75,000 like we said.
Yeah.
With too many project numbers in our head.
Yeah, guys. So apparently the truck only has 57,000 miles on it. I was thinking it was in the 70s, but even lower than I thought. Looks clean under there, so it makes sense. But now we're out on the test drive. She's running like a champ. I can already feel those extra bald eagles being released. First drive in the books, and she is champion status. Running like a dream, looking like a dream, looking like she's ready for race week pretty much.
Ready.
We'll go get that muffler put on tomorrow, get her sounding a little better. Still looks perfect. Okay, guys, so morning number 2, she fired up. Sounds good. We're gonna go get the new muffler installed in place of the suitcase that's under here right now. Let's see if we can spot this thing. Hard to miss, really. She's too quiet. You can hear a little bit of the cam, but we need to free these eagles up. Take it to our friends at Georgetown Muffler and get this taken care of. Okay, guys, so this is my first time driving the truck since all the heads cam swapped, and she's driving good. I like it. The converter, you can definitely feel it a little bit, but it's nice. It's definitely streetable, and it's got good manners. So let's go get that muffler put on it and get some good sound on this puppy. Okay, so I think it's only right we do a little before and after on this. So we'll have Russell work some editing magic, but let's hear a little before and after on this muffler install. Well, there it is, guys. That sounds a lot better, a lot more what I like. So let's go get on it, give it a little drive in and see how it sounds on the road. First impressions are the new exhaust is awesome. So this thing sounds so much better. It sounds like it's actually got some work done to it now, and it's not just still stock. I mean, man, I can't believe how much sound that stock muffler holds back. Taking the cats off didn't really seem to add any extra sound. It's good to know if you want to keep it quiet, I guess, but you know, we want to hear a little sound out of it, which you definitely get now. So that's nice to hear. Up and ripping, running good. We got a nice tune in her. Thing's sailing down the highway. So I'm taking it to one of our buddies' shops, Chris Shortridge. He's going to do all the suspension and stuff on it. We're on a pretty tight schedule. We got race week coming up quick, so we need to get this thing done. And our best option is to drop it off at his shop to get all buttoned up suspension-wise. And we're going to change the gears in the rear end. So excited to get that done. The truck's running good and everything's looking good. She may not be the fastest thing on the road to her this time, but or maybe any time, but at least it's not going to be that fast this time. But hey, we're going to have fun. It's going to be a good tour. It looks like it's so fun every time. We want to enjoy it. And hey, this is what we're bringing the first time. Okay, guys, so you know, we wanted to thank you guys so much for hitting 100,000 subscribers on YouTube. Finally, you know, we've been pumped about this number for a little while. It's getting close, and we're excited to hit it. And we want to thank all of you for subscribing, following, all the support on the channel. We really appreciate it. And to thank you guys, we're gonna go ahead and do a camshaft giveaway here on the channel. So not 1, 2, we're gonna do 3 cams. We're gonna select 3 random winners, give cams away to you guys. only to our YouTube following, so you guys are gonna get the shot at it. Go to the link right here, and we're gonna go ahead and get you guys set up. 3 winners, 3 cams. It's going down. Thank you guys for subscribing, and keep a lookout on the channel for more giveaways. We're definitely gonna start doing this thing more often, and you know, giving back to the people that give to us. So thanks, guys. Okay, guys, it is coming down to the wire now. This truck leaves in the morning. We have to go pick up our trailer this afternoon, load it all up, get it all ready. Then the transport comes to pick up the whole setup. So we don't have a lot of time left. I'm going to go over a little bit of what's been done here while we were away. So you guys can see the exhaust got finished up. We haven't looked underneath it yet, but you guys can see we had a local muffler shop build us an exhaust from right here at the Y pipe back. So they put this MagnaFlow in we ordered. Back here we got the rear end stuff all installed now. We went with some new Viking adjustable shocks. New leaf springs, as well as these Caltrax here to help us you know, keep this puppy hooking and booking. So we move up here. Looks like Potent's working on the fuel filter right now. Make sure we don't run into any random issues. Try and replace anything that we can beforehand. That looks like a lot of fun there, Potek.
Yeah, it's my favorite.
Okay, and up here, so we got new springs and everything, but we didn't have time. The A-arms actually didn't come in time. So they went ahead and just put the new shocks in the old setup. Well, it's all we had time for. We got to get this thing on the road. So it's looking good. It's driving good. Of course, we got these new badass wheels looking real good on here. So yeah, it's pretty much ready to go. Been just trying to put as many miles on it as we can. Make sure it's proofed out and ready to send. Now time for a little startup. Test the old fuel filter. Make sure everything's still working well. So obviously, guys, these things look awesome. We got Mickey Thompsons all the way around, skinnies, slicks in the back. She's looking good, ready for the road. We did go ahead and we're gonna take the stock ones with us, or the ones that came on it, just because if we hit some heavy rain, we want to have something to throw on it. But obviously, these things look awesome and change the whole look of the truck completely. So we were thinking we wanted to get a little more power out of it, maybe fit the look of the truck a little more. So we called our boys over at Nitrous Outlet, and they got us set up nicely. That's right, guys. We decided to go with the Nitrous setup. So we're not exactly sure how much we're gonna run yet. We're thinking maybe starting off with a 75. You know, maybe ease on up to the 125, 150, just kind of see where she's at the first day. Obviously, this truck has still never been to the drag strip. We are testing this thing on Rocky Mountain Race Week, so it looks like it's all together. We've been driving it, trying to put some miles on it. It's all good, but we're happy to get some of this Nitrous Outlet stuff on the truck and yeah, get some extra power, a little extra excitement out of it. I don't know if we talked about this intake. We also threw an air 8 intake on it. Looks good, helps the power out. We're gonna need it up there and all that altitude. And yeah, I think we'll have it. First time she's getting set up. Full rig, ready to go.
Hey, check my blinker.
A little bit of taillight test.
Yeah, buddy. Good deal.
She's looking good.
Go around the block?
Yeah, maiden voyage.